Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking Twitter and we're going to be showing you how to create a Twitter business account. Okay, so we're going to go through it step by step on the desktop and show you exactly how to set up your account on Twitter for your business. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop and start going through how to create a Twitter business account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is obviously come across to twitter.com and then you want to use sign up with phone number or email. Okay, so first of all you can put your name, so I'm going to put my business name, Marketing Secret Service. I can put my email, I'll use my email. So that can be, again, martin@secretservice.com. Then I'll put my date of birth, click next. And it says customize your experience. So get more out of receive email about Twitter activity and recommendations. So tick the ones you want here. Connect with people you know to let us find your Twitter account by your email address. So yes, certainly we can do that. Personalize ads. Well, we're not worried about doing that. So, and then you want to click next again. So now all you've got to do now is literally create your account, because we sent you a code to internet your email. So we've got a email verification code, so we just need to add that in now. Here we go, and I'll need a password, so I can add in a password here. Click next. It says obviously add in a profile picture, so I'm going to put my logo in there. Okay, so I've got a logo here I can use, and I can apply that, and that looks fine. So we'll click next. Then we can put in some description into our bio. Okay, so you just want to put a few words in here. Make sure you put obviously rich keywords in there that people might be searching for online, and also maybe obviously put some hashtags as well, which is always a good way of finding people on and things on Twitter. Okay, so we put some words in there. So we've obviously used some good keywords here: marketing, online marketing, that sort of thing. Internet marketing, and also online marketing tips, which is all what we do. So we now just want to click next. Now we're going to use our username, so we can make a username here. So this is one you can actually just create. So we're going to go with, okay, so I'm going to look at my username. It has to be less than 15 characters. So I've created I am Secret Serve. So I have to make it a little bit shorter, unfortunately, because I can't fit service in there. So you're might need to adapt your name or brand to suit accordingly. Then click next. Obviously it says turn on notifications, so I'll just skip that for now. It then asks you what sort of things do you want to go and see, so you can obviously go and check a few of these. Obviously business and finance for myself. Technology would be good, and then we click next. So it says what do you want to see on Twitter. So a few of these, again, go through them, see what suits you. We could just do a couple of things such as Instagram would be good. I'll put Twitter there as well. Facebook, Google for me. All those tech companies are really good, because obviously if there's any new things coming out, I want to obviously know and then sort them out and record a video for you guys. And that'll be enough for now. So we click next. It says follow some accounts. So there's a few good ones here. So I could follow all of these relating to web development and marketing. And technology again, Twitter marketing we could do. Instagram comms. Once you've done that, you want to click next, and we're landed now on our actual timeline here. Now, once you've actually got it set up, if you actually come down here to the bottom left hand corner, click on the three dots, and it says add an existing account. So if you click on add existing account, So if we put in the actual username here, so if I put in my personal account, then what we can do is jump. So that's Smart Money, Make Money Tactics, and click next, and click login. I've got a text verification code that I just need to enter. Okay, we click next. As that's come up onto my personal timeline now. And if we click down here, I can literally go from that account to the Internet Marketing Secret Service one, just like that. So you can go from your business to your personal account from the one account. Very, very quick and very easily done. So I'd recommend that obviously you do that and hook those up so that they're interchangeable. So we go to our profile here. There's things we can obviously add into our profile as well. So you just need to click Edit Profile. And again, we have a location, website. So we can add things in there. So we can add the website in. So that would be imsecretservice.com. It says here you can also switch to professional. Basically says get access to the tools you need for a better connection, to better connect with your audience, grow your brand and increase your profits. Tap and agree to agree to all the terms and conditions. So select a category, so we can select a category for your business here. Probably the best suited one would be probably going to be education, because I'm going to be educating people about marketing. Click next, and then obviously make sure you click business or creator, but we're going to be a business, and then click next as well. So it says obviously you can customize your profile here, pick topics to follow, make more connections, promote a tweet, and you've got more coming soon. So I'm obviously going to skip this for now. Obviously that brings me back into my edit profile. I can add a location here, so I'm going to add United Kingdom, and we can also add obviously a header. Now I'm actually going to do this in a different video and show you how to do this and create a good header for your business. You subscribe to the channel to obviously get that out, but it's very, very simple to do, and I'll be showing you that in a later video. So how to create a Twitter business account. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to obviously subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and obviously you'll get notified every time we make more videos about marketing online. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and we're going to see you on the next video.